Yes, sir.
My lord, I crave your lordship's indulgence to mention item number 13, my lord.
13,
Is
yes.
in fact joint prayer of both the parties.
I appear for the petitioner, my lord.
Can it come on the last week of January, my lord?
Yes. On the prayer of, on the prayer of land council for the parties. And on the prayer of Mr. S. Datta, Land Senior Counsel, and Mr.
D. Chakravarti for the petitioner.
D. Chakraborty, for Land Counsel for the petitioner. This matter after
4 weeks, my lord.
4 weeks.
My lord, can it be on 27th January if it is not?
After that, after we have fixed so many matters on 27, 28.
Yes.
After that,
My lord, 29th, my lord. 30th January. Obliged.
Much obliged. My lord, in regard to item 8,
ah,
my lord, I have informed one of the junior colleague of Mr. S.P. Chaudhary. The similar pair I am having in that house.
then same item 8. Item 8.
Obliged.
But with due consent from the other side, I beg to mention item number 15, Lordship.
15.
It will be taken up after vacation.
Yes.
Present for a response.
On the prayer of Mr.
As they can.
S. Dekha, Land Council for this matter after 4 weeks.
Interim to continue.
Interim order first, the earlier shall continue.
May I please, your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 5 and 6, my lord.
5 and 6.
5 and 6, my lord. I have taken consent from the respondent side.
5 and 6. Yeah.
After vacation.
It's in a series, my lord. I appear for the respondents, my lord.
5, 6, 7. What's there?
These are matters pertaining to renewal of the catering licenses. Matters are covered by the Honorable Supreme Court order, my lord. Anyway, it may be adjourned, but the cases may be segregated, my lord. The facts are totally different.
Oh, it's okay.
Not similar, my lord.
Same railway station.
No, different railway stations, my lord.
The claims?
Facts are also different, my lord.
Ah.
But the issue is, my lord, renewal of the catering licenses, my lord. This issue has already been decided by our Honorable High Court, and the matter went up to the Honorable Apex Court, my lord. Honorable Apex Court has also decided the matter, my lord.
Ah.
Well, I'm seeking adjournment, my lord.
No. If it is covered and it has been settled, then what remains?
I have to take instruction, my lord. From my
What
client, my lord.
instruction?
I have to take instruction regarding this.
What instruction?
Yes, my lord. So there is
No,
communication.
if it is covered, it is settled by the Honorable Supreme Court.
It may be infractuous also, my lord. I
Ah.
don't have that objection, instruction, my lord. That is why, my lord, I am.
Which year?
21 probably, my lord.
21.
21.
21, my lord.
21.
If it is settled, what Supreme Court say?
Supreme Court said the renewal is no longer permissible after coming into effect the 2007 catering policy, because the catering policy of 2017 doesn't permit renewal of the licenses.
It's only through the advertisement.
Tender process, my lord. Prior to that, the 2010 catering policy was in place. It permitted renewal, and they have already extracted the benefit. Now, new policy has come in that doesn't permit renewal.
Only after vacation, my lord, it may be disposed.
On the prayer of Mr.
A. Rashid.
A. Rashid, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. At least this matter after 2 weeks, we'll say 3 weeks.
No, only humble
It
prayer,
is
Lord.
Mr. Gupta,
B. Sharma,
B. Sharma, Learned CGC, submits that.
SC Railway.
Standing Council Railway submits that issue regarding renewal of catering, what?
Renewal and transfer of catering licenses.
Renewal and
Railway catering licenses.
railway catering license. Renewal of railway catering license has already been settled by the Supreme Court in view of the in view of the fact that there is a new policy,
There's a
catering
new
policy,
Catering policy of 2017 that doesn't permit renewal.
in view of the catering policy of 2017,
17
which doesn't
permit renewal of the licenses on its expiry.
allow renewal of the catering license.
If I may pray that the matter may be segregated, my lord.
It's okay, we'll see. If it is the same, maybe different area.
Much.
May it please your lordship. May it please your lordship. I
Yes.
beg to mention item number 25, lordship.
Ah,
Supply list, lordship. It may be adjourned for the day, lordship.
25.
25.
It's a motion matter. Why?
From last night, senior is not well.
On the prayer of Mr.
SJ Sharma, Lord.
H.J. Sharma and the concept on the petition list this matter after 3 weeks.
John for the day, Lord.
Hmm?
John for day, Lord. For the day, Lord.
3 weeks.
For the day.
Today is the last day.
Yes, Lord.
What's the use? Make it 2 weeks. Yes.
To mention item number 3 and 4, madam.
3 and 4.
This matter may take about immediately after vacation, madam.
Why?
Engaged counsel has some difficulty today, madam. I am appearing on his behalf.
On your MS?
As Sutia, madam.
HUT Learned Council appearing on behalf of Mr. N.J. Khathania, Learned Council petitioner. Petitioner submits that Mr. Khathania has some personal difficulty today, therefore faithful listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 3 weeks.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 17, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, kindly agenda matter for a day, Lordship.
This IA,
Yes, Lordship.
these orders. We'll see on the prayer of Mr. MS.
P. Udhikari, Lordship, on behalf of S. Desgupta.
As that's Gupta, Learned Council for the applicant, list this matter after 4 weeks.
I beg to mention item number 18.
18.
I've taken contact from the other side.
Ah,
Password for the day.
on the prayer of Mr.
D. Gogoi, on behalf of Mr. SD.
Huh?
D. Gogoi.
D. Gogoi.
Okay. On behalf of Mr. SD. So this.
On appearing on Mr. is the place for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Prayer the Lord, list after 3 weeks. Okay.
One more prayer, in respect of item number 12. 12 also similar prayer. Item 12.
SD, on behalf of SD.
SD.
Same.
Keep level.
May I please,
Yes.
my lord, major parties transfer of a gun license, my lord. On the last occasion, my lord, has directed to respondent to place the instruction, my lord.
Yes.
Well, the Lordship, I have received the instructions. Kindly come to their petition, paragraph 37, paragraph 37 and 38. Lord.
Just
Basically, their grievance is that the appellate authority has not taken any decision, final decision. Now the appellate authority has said that they are passing the order, the final order will be passed on 22nd of December. So let the appellate authority pass the order. Lord. And Lordship, keep the matter on reopening. My lord.
What is your prayer?
Prayer is,
Lordship,
a prayer,
just for a moment, my lord, if I'm
page
allowed.
30, my lord.
Kindly come to
My lord,
para 37 and 38. my lord. For a moment, my lord. Let him, I'll just take
Para?
the para 37
Of
and,
what?
and 37 of the writ petition,
Hmm.
page 27, my lord. Para 37, my lord, 36 last sentence, my lord. Till date, the petitioner have neither been communicated the next date of hearing nor the order as sought for.
Hmm.
Ultimately, their grievance is that the petitioner received the notice dated 27/10/25, para 36, my lord, I'm reading.
Hmm.
Summoning her to appear on 12/11/2025 with her arms and the license. The counsel for the petitioner number 1 having not received the order dated so and so despite repeated request and also on account of petition number 2's illness again requested to furnish the copy of the so and so and or to dispose of the appeal in terms of hearing of the parties already heard on 23/7/2025, 19/8/25 and 15/9/2025 as required extant rule. But till date, the petitioner have neither been communicated the next date of hearing nor order as sought for. So now the instruction is that the final order, they have fixed the date for final order on 22nd of December. So let the appellate authority pass the order.
Here is also same, my lord, to dispose of the appeal,
Yes,
my lord, as soon as, because.
Yes,
We'll close it. They are deciding it.
yes.
My lord, only
yes.
the production part of the license, my lord, till the disposal, my lord, that part.
No,
my
no,
lord, may
no.
be observed,
That
my lord.
cannot. They are passing orders on 22nd.
Yes,
22nd.
on Monday, next Monday. We are passing the order.
And apart from that, my lord, we have applied for the renewal of the license, which is last date in 31/12/2025, my lord. Its appeal, my lord, pendency of the appeal, my lord, cannot be barred for processing the, my lord.
No, they are passing the order on 22nd.
Today is Friday, on Monday.
In order,
Monday.
all observation if made, my lord, that will be helpful for us.
No, no, we'll record this. Heard, Mr.
As a result.
as has learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this writ petition.
They have
Is-
challenged.
Is to the impute notice dated 27/10/2025 issued by the who? Where is that notice?
Secretary, secretary has.
Page 123, my lord.
123.
My lord. My lord, Joint Secretary, Government of Assam, my lord.
Joint Secretary to the Government of Assam Home and Political Department. Whereby the petitioner is requested, has been requested to, is requested to appear in person before the appellate authority along with arms and arms license. Page 122. Arms within bracket, within bracket, yes, license. Why you cannot appear arms and arms license? It's not, they have not directed you to surrender.
My lord, no, it
You
is
are,
not-
you will be heard, you are directed to appear along with the arms and license.
My lord.
That's
That
all.
is true, my lord, the direction files, the, my lord, Joint
It
Secretary.
is
my lord.
the contention of learned counsel for the petitioner that although a direction, a request has been made to appear along with the arms and license, arms and arms license, comma, the tenor of the, it would indirectly mean to surrender the arm and
Yes, my lord.
arms
It
license,
also
That
does
is
say
the-
so.
which,
What
which,
That is their apprehension.
which,
There is no.
which cannot be,
Para 37, 38, they have said it's
which
apprehension.
cannot be allowed, huh? Which would not be permissible under the law. Lister. Next para, Mr. S. Dinath, learned senior government advocate. By placing the communication dated 17/12/2025, submits that the armed license application is still in the process and the authority shall pass the appropriate order, has fixed the date for final order, has scheduled the final, scheduled for final order on 22/12/2025. Lister. Will issue notice.
Not required, my lord. They are passing the order.
Please,
Once order is passed,
Hello.
then you will have to challenge that if
That
it's
will-
against.
that will follow.
That liberty may be.
If they are agree, if they are agree at all, otherwise my authority, they have said that since the order is not passed, sometime.
Then we'll just keep it pending.
My lord, that can be also done, my lord.
Then we'll
Ultimately,
not issue in view of let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks, no, let it come, let it come.
2 weeks, let's see.
Yes,
22nd they are passing.
Any developed renewal part may be.
Huh?
That renewal part, we have already applied for existing. renewal
That
of-
is license application is under process.
The process, my
Ah.
lord, the pendency of this writ petition shall not be, my lord, barred.
No, no, it's
Only-
under process. They have scheduled on 22nd. They will be passing order on,
Not- not-
final order on 22nd.
that's good.
It will be outcome of that order only. If it is in your favor, no issue. If it is against, you have to challenge.
Not,
That is, my lord, since vacation is there, my lord, we.
Cannot help it, sir.
My lord,
They are passing an order on 22nd.
yes,
so we have to
ultimately-
approach on the
ultimately,
renewal, my lord.
there-
My lord, if any order pass, adverse order pass, then we have to approach this honorable court after, my lord, reopening, my lord. That's why, my lord, in the meantime, my lord. some
No, they'll
observation-
be, I think vacation bench will be there.
Small observation, my lord.
What?
On the renewal part, my lord, on the renewal part.
at this stage, Malad, let
No,
the order,
he,
let
at
the
the
order.
record, he said the application, but you know, I mean, the arm application is in the process.
Their appeal is finally disposed of on 22nd, Malad.
Ah,
Lordship. Lordship may keep that in record, Malad. My instruction may be kept on record.
the
Lordship.
copy of so and so is kept in the record and marked as document X. Huh?
So the matter is coming up after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Lordship, oblige,
Date, my
oblige.
lord.
What then?
Oblige, my lord.
Reopening, just give it.
No,
You have to, I think, withdraw and file afresh.
My lord, yeah, yes, my lord. As per the, my lord, appellate authority order, my lord.
Huh?
If, my lord, any advice order pass, my lord, we have to given the liberty for filing the. my lord,
that is always there, Malad.
my lord.
Ah,
It is always there, Lordship. Nobody is restraining them. Oblige, Malad.
I'm highly obliged.
Oblige.
We are of the Board of Revenue, your lordship.
ah.
This case probably, your lordship, notice will be suffice. We don't have interim periods on this.
Where it is? Where
Order
is
is at page 75, your lordship,
75.
75. Our appeal has been dismissed.
Heard Mr. S. Borthakur,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this state petition is to the order
Order, your lordship, at page
75,
75. Dated 18/9/2020.
18/9/2025. Passed by the chairman, Assam Board of Revenue. Whereby the appeal, huh?
Appeal, your lordship, our
Appeal,
appeal.
appeal of the petitioner has been dismissed. List of issue notice. What is this?
Paper one.
2, 3, 4. Handy can appeal.
No, dismissed, huh? Has been dismissed by holding that the petitioners are not entitled to ownership rights over the ownership right over the which plot
The land, your lordship, it's, your
Over the-
lordship will get it at your lordship. Of page 76.
over the
Pakka Khatian number 8 of in 1978.
huh? Uh, Katiyan converted to Pakka Katiyan number 8 in 1978, huh?
Lord.
Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. Olaf, you are appearing for all.
One.
Ah.
I'm for 2 and 2, 3 and 4.
Based by register board.
As Mr.
A Bhattacharya.
A. Bhattacharya and Mr. J. Hendrik, London State Council, enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1, 2, 3, and 4. No forward notice need be served, so and so, huh? But this, the land council for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 11 and 12, huh?
Lord, gift of like.
Extra copy में.
Extra copy.
Again, 23.
My lord, they have challenged the, my lord, influence
eviction notice dated 21/11/2025.
Where it is?
At page 13, translated, my lord, page 13.
Hmm.
You enclose the land under reserve forest land and have been using the same by constructing dwelling houses, planting commercial trees, digging ponds and so and so. Further, the Honorable High Court passed an order, it is so motto, whereby it has been directed that all the encroachments in the forest land should be evicted by serving notice of 15 days for explaining their possession, and thereafter 15 days time should be given to encroachers to vacate the land. Here, my lord, after receiving this notice, the petitioner has submitted.
Have you submitted the
All the
documents?
documents, because their village falls outside the boundary. It is
No, no,
an
we don't
existing
know.
village.
You
So
have
they
been
have
provided,
yes, my lord.
provided an opportunity.
They have yes, my lord, they have submitted, I have stated at para 4, my lord, that they have submitted all their relevant documents, my lord, at page 7, my lord. Page 7. After receiving the, my lord, notice so and so, they visited the office of the respondent number 6, that is the DFO, along with all the relevant records.
Yes,
And
My lord, will kindly see, my lord, only one annexer, that is the eviction notice.
yes, my lord, because they have submitted all their documents, that I have explained, my lord. And they have, they have submitted all their documents, and they were told by the officials that they will visit the spot and verify. Then they visited also. They visited and did not, my lord, verify. They just asked the petitioner to approach the circle office. And in the meantime, it is due to paucity of time, my lord, only 2-3 days left. So the petitioner has approached this honorable court.
no, it's very difficult. You have no accept or he's right.
Not even
No
annex the
documents, at
representation.
least
my
you
lord.
could have shown something.
My lord,
Agree.
he,
So that prime
all the documents is
can
available.
form our opinion. He said, you have been given the documents.
Yes.
I
Not
mean,
even the representation, my lord.
Representations are all are available in the office of the DFO. If your lordship may call for the records, it will be available.
no,
my
no, we
lord.
cannot.
I have stated, my lord, it is available in the office of the DFO. Because they are village people, they do not know that a copy should be kept with them. So that is why, my lord, I have, my lord, stated in my petition that all the documents will be available in the office of the DFO.
It's a
Respondent number
forest
6.
land. There is a judgment of the order of this court. If
Because
they-
their land fall outside the, my lord.
We don't know.
forest
They will
boundary. That is
decide.
why They may verify. If they found, if it is found that they are encroaching the forest land, they may be evicted. my
You
lord.
have,
Yes, my lord.
they've said so. Using the same by constructing dwelling houses and planting commercial trees,
Outside the
digging
boundary,
ponds,
that's-
tanks and doing cultivation. You have encroached.
No, my lord, that is why the petitioner submitted all his documents and also submitted represent that our land fall under, our fall.
Yes,
land
what
is
to
under
do?
revenue
May submit,
village.
my lord.
Yes.
That's my coil.
Ah.
My lord, kindly appreciate one thing, my lord. It is everyone's case that they fall, their area falls beyond the boundary
Yes.
of the forest. For that, my lord, they have to indicate something, my lord. This, all time and again, I am submitting, my lord, this forum is not for, my lord, declaration of a right. It's for enforcement of a pre-existing right. For that, they at least have to show some document having title or having any valid document of, my lord, ownership of the land. They are without any document. Not
Right.
even the representation has been annexed, my lord. Only, my lord, annexing us.
Very, very difficult.
The documents, my lord.
There is nothing on record to substantiate
At
this.
best will issue,
They will cut-
at best
will-
will issue,
no, they-
at
they-
best,
The office.
no,
and
at best
additional-
will issue notice. It appears that prima facie you have encroached the forest land. Our hands are tied.
My lord.
Where with you personally, but then law is not supporting you.
My lord, only one prayer, my lord.
What?
My lord, the petitioners will collect their documents from the office and I'll file additional affidavit. They have the documents.
Whatever you do it,
Yes, my lord.
today we.
But, till
No,
the-
simply
that
say,
protection may
no,
be
no,
given.
no. Simply we say that obtain instruction, what have you done with the documents? To obtain instruction.
Yes, my lord.
Let
let
notice
the
go, my lord, I will
documents-
bring instructions.
No order.
Till then,
No, it's
till
been.
the instruction is brought, my lord.
See, prima facie by the notice, you have been provided opportunity, right? And then
And they've also submitted documents.
you have encroached the forest land.
My lord, they have submitted documents as well as representative.
Where are the documents, my lord? They could have annexed here, my lord.
Available in the office.
You bring that, we'll see.
Yes, my lord, I'll bring.
You
my lord.
bring that, we'll see. Then we'll pass by this, the materials we cannot. This was issued on
2111, my lord.
2111, my lord, and the petitioners approached me only on Sunday, my lord, this Sunday. So, my lord,
you are staying with the family
the petitioner, yes, my lord. They are, my lord.
in the
all
forest land.
petitioner-
In the forest land.
Revenue village, my lord. It is.
Mr. Goswami,
forest
can
land.
you fix this matter immediately on 5th reopening?
Fine.
Till then, maintain
can-
status quo.
Let me submit one thing, my lord.
We'll not say stay this, we'll just say maintain status
There
quo
must-
because it's a matter of life.
Yes, I appreciate, my lord. There are hundreds of writ petitions files, my lord. In none of the writ petitions, there is no interim order. Only relief granted was, my lord, that the petitioner, if not submitted representation, they will file a representation
Yes,
in terms
yes.
of division bench order, that will be considered.
Ah.
Let that order be passed, my lord, because this status quo once granted, my lord, apparently, my lord, they are inside forest. My lord, government will not go and ask
No,
someone
it's
to remove
very
from,
difficult also.
Still
encroach from,
only
sorry, my lord, evict
It's a
from the
direction of
forest.
the division bench also.
Let us do one thing, my lord, let them file a
them
representation fresh.
fresh
We'll
representation.
take a call within
Yes,
15 days.
ma'am.
That's
That
the mandate of the division bench. Division bench doesn't do.
Then in that case, what will happen?
Till we don't decide the representation, we will not evict, my lord.
Ah.
Status quo, my lord. If you get-
Keep on us, request. My lord, kindly peruse that order, my lord. That's the order passed in the PIL.
No, I think we have passed some orders also.
In that, my lord, representations were
The representation were there.
filed, my lord.
Ah.
There is a case, my lord, they have not filed representation. Let them file representation, we will decide in
fresh
terms of
representation.
division
I
bench
have
order.
File, my lord.
Kuntu asli, no?
Heard MS SP Chaudhary. We'll dispose it off.
Yes.
Yes, my lord will kindly peruse for a moment, my lord, that page 13, the judgment starts,
Hmm.
paragraph 21, my lord. That's the division bench order. That is what we are following. my lord. Page number 18, my lord,
What 18?
of my bunch of documents, my lord, just now handed over. Page 18, my lord. First judgment, my lord, first page. Page 18 is the relevant part. In fact, the impugn notice, my lord, also mentioned about this judgment, my lord. We would also like to observe that henceforth, if such drive is undertaken for clearing the reserve forest area of all.
Para?
Para 21, my lord, page 18. We'd also like to observe that henceforth, if such drive is undertaken for clearing the reserve forest area of the encroachment, of all encroachment, and if it is found that there are some settlers, even though unauthorized, they ought to be given a reasonable period of time of 15 days to explain under what circumstances they set up their houses inside the reserve forest area, where any non-forest activity or their presence attracts penal offense. A further period of 15 days for exiting the place on being asked to do so. In fact, if we, my lord, now see the impugn notice, my lord, this notice also issued in compliance with that judgment, my lord.
No, this order was of 21/11. 15,
Yes, my lord.
15 is over.
Yes, my lord.
we-
that
we-
within
No, in that case,
15
in that
they
case,
have
we'll see.
submitted.
We'll just, you obtain instruction. Because they said that they have submitted the documents.
Submitted representation also.
You obtain instruction.
My lord, that's status.
And it's over now, 21/11.
Yes, my lord, within 15 days they have submitted.
Then
After that, my lord, some officials came and they did not do anything. They asked.
These are mere statements, my
Where-
lord, unsubstantiated statements.
That is why I'm saying, my lord.
Let us do one thing, my lord.
Ah.
Let them now file a representation. Within 15 days from that, my lord, we'll take a decision, my lord, on their
Okay,
documents.
okay then.
That will be better, my lord.
Heard-
Let us go beyond 1 month, my lord.
Heard MS SP Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Agreed by the, challenge made in this writ petition is to the notice dated 21/11/2025 issued by the DFO, Noga Forest Division, Noga, whereby the petitioner is directed to vacate the land which land?
My lord,
Which forest land?
it is my lord Lutumai. Lutumai Reserve Forest in Nagaon district, my lord. Lutumai.
Rotumai Reserve
Lutumai
Forest
Reserve Forest in Nagaon district, my lord.
in the district of Nagaon. List of the next one. MS so and so. No, no, no. It is the contention of the. So the vacate the land, huh? Vacate the land from the Rotumai Forest, fence, huh? Reserve Forest, Rotumai Reserve Forest. Within 15 days. Mr. It is the contention of the petitioner that on receipt of the eviction notice dated 21/11/2025, the petitioner has submitted required documents showing that required documents of the claim of required documents in respect of the possession of the land list of the land under the possession of the petitioner falls under the revenue village, which is outside the boundaries of forest land. Mr. MS so-and-so land counsel for the petitioner submits that despite submission of documents as directed, no order has been passed. And no consideration has been made as on today. Rather, the petitioner would be evicted without considering the claim of the petitioner. She submits that the land under the possession of the petitioner is petitioner falls outside the forest reserve forest,
Reserve forest.
Rotumai Reserve Forest. List of Mr. P.N. Goswami, learned additional advocate general, referring to the judgment of the judgment in the
Read
case of
251,
Abdul Kalekar, huh?
Writ Appeal 251, my lord.
Passed in Writ Appeal WA 251 of 2025. Submits that it is the mandate of this court. The court has mandated that the encroachers of the reserve forest has to be, and mandated the encroachers are to be evicted from the encroachers of the reserve forest shall be evicted Mr. While doing so, if it is found that there are some settlers, even though unauthorized, they ought to be given a reasonable period of 15 days. Thereafter, a further period of 15 days for exiting the place on being exiting the encroached area, encroached land. He submits that, he fairly submits that, no, he submits that nothing is placed on record. And the petitioner has failed to bring on record any materials to show that whether any documents in support of his claim or any or representation has been filed before the authority, except the bold statement of the Land Council for the petition. Next paragraph. Upon consideration of the materials, upon consideration of the matter, comma, it would reveal that except the impugned copy of the impugned notice of eviction that is also issued by the DFO, comma, not a single documents is placed on record to show in support of the claim of the petitioner that he is under, he is in possession of the land outside the boundary of the Rathumai Reserve Forest. This stuff. Ordinarily, no, please. Thus, it would be difficult for this court to determine as to whether the petitioner has any semblance of claim, has any right to claim over the land which is stated to be falls under the Rathumai Reserve Forest. Mr. However, since this court in WS so and so has permitted to allow even the unauthorized occupants within the forest land to provide an opportunity, it would serve the interest, it would serve the interest of justice. It would be in the interest of justice that the petitioner is allowed to file a representation and for consideration by the appropriate authority. Mr. In view of, I deem it appropriate to dispose of this writ petition with a direction to the petitioner to file petitioner. I deem it appropriate to direct the petitioner to file, to approach the appropriate authority by filing a representation along with supporting documents
within 7 days from today.
No, I said, in view of it will do accordingly. It is directed that the petitioner shall file representation within 7 days from today, 7 days from today. Thereafter, no, please, on such filing of representation, and on receipt of the representation that would be filed by the petitioner, the DFO, DFO,
Nagaon.
Nagaon Forest Division something, Nagaon shall consider and pass appropriate orders
Within 15 days there.
within 15 days.
Only one observation, my lord. If they do not file any representation, my lord, we will be at liberty to proceed with the notice, my lord.
Huh?
If they do not file any representation, my lord, we will be at liberty to proceed with the notice, my lord.
It is made clear that if no representation is filed by the petitioner, the respondent authorities shall proceed with the
Impute notice.
notice that it
Deeply
signs or
observed.
signs.
Deeply observed.
If presentation is considered, they may not be
Huh?
disturbed. madam.
Obviously,
Obviously, we will not do that, my lord. My lord,
Even
same order
we
will
will
be
say,
passed.
till the representation. No, till the exercise is completed, the status quo as on today shall be maintained.
My lord.
Because you might have already evicted.
Exactly, my lord. That is what I am also thinking.
No, my lord.
That's why, if it's not,
Yes,
we'll say as on today.
Yes, ma'am. The
Till-
way my
till
lord
the,
requisitions are filed, my lord, any-
till the above exercise as directed herein, no, till the exercise as directed herein above is completed, the status quo as on today shall be
As on- yes,
maintained.
the way the requisitions are filed, my lord, anybody can file a representation. Even PN Goswami can also file a representation,
That is
sorry,
the-
representation showing this is an impute notice to me, and I am Mr. Jalaluddin. Nothing to indicate, my
They
lord.
will verify, my lord. They will
Anyway, my lord,
verify.
same order will cover, my
Lord,
lord.
item,
Oh, query, sir, excellent.
acha, okay.
Item 27, my lord, 30, sorry, 27, 29, 30, 31 to 36, my lord. Same order, my lord.
25, 27,
No, my
my
lord.
lord,
27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
this one is 23.
23,
Yes.
so
23, then
27,
27,
then 29 to my lord, till the end of the list, that is 36.
6. Same area.
Same.
Read persistence disposed of.
Obliged.
My lord, I pay for password for timing. I suppose so. Timing. Deeply obliged.
You just saw the time. Judgment to your time. Judgment to yourself. Para 21 को थोड़ा दे. Not court. हमने वो दिया था ना. आप थोड़ा लैंग्वेज को मिला ले. What about 25?
क्या order ना होना ना representation.
Okay, 26. Yes.
May I please the lordship? Eviction, and my lord, we are challenging an order of eviction, my lord, issued by the forest department, my lord. My lord, may be pleased to find the impugn.
2111, same.
My lord,
Same
this
order.
is 27 same order, but only thing.
What that?
My lord, we are on a revenue land, my lord. And
No,
we
that's
have-
will say.
It is everyone's claim, my lord.
No.
Your
my
claim
lord.
is that.
We have by the, my lord, record. my
Or
lord,
Mr.
my lord,
A.R. Buya, learned
but
counsel
this
for the.
order can be passed, my lord. My lordship has passed.
No,
it,
I
my
will
lord.
pass the same
Same order,
order.
let's same order.
Is
My
which I
lord,
have passed.
kindly have a look, just for.
It's okay.
Same order.
Same order.
Same
Not the
forest.
Same forest land, Ratumai. Reserve forest.
to my reserve forest.
Rotan by
my lord, my lord has earlier passed an order wherein it was been directed to go for a joint field verification
So
survey.
before that, they have to
in-
No,
file
you have
presentation.
filed the representation.
No, no,
Have
we
you filed?
We have
No, they
filed,
have
my lord,
court
we have
finding.
filed.
My court,
No, no, we have filed, but it has not been annexed, my lord.
No, in that case.
Let them file a representation fresh, my lord, same order.
Us because the representation was already filed
And it
and
was
there was no
rejected.
consideration.
Yes, my lord.
And it was rejected also.
Exactly.
No, no, rejected a fresh.
Here you have not shown any representation.
No, my
Same
lord,
order
we
may
have
be passed.
already deposited, my lord, the representation and the papers, my lord.
Now that will
That will be
we have
considered.
recorded same order.
But
Obliged.
it has not been rejected yet, my lord.
Huh?
My lord, till consideration of our representation.
that-
we-
That's why I said
Status quo.
status quo is on today.
Yes.
Is on today. Because eviction was the notice was issued in 21.
we have not
11.
been- We have not been.
It's
able to-
okay. Then it will be in your favor.
My lord.
Same order.
Same order, deep level.
Dispose of.
Obliged.
Air buya, huh? Air buya.
But in this case, the petitioner, my lord, is the widow. So her husband, my lord, passed away and the family pension and gratuity is payable on his death. But that was, my lord, allowed pursuant to orders of this court. If your lordship will kindly have page 21 onwards.
So, okay, what we'll do today?
Well, what has happened is that the state bank, the respondent state bank has frozen my account because apparently there is a loan which was taken by my husband, personal loan, was taken before his death. In fact, 3 years before his death. And that loan details, my lord, we have annexed at page 33. My lord, the
We
difficulty.
will obtain instruction.
This,
My lord,
I am for
he
the
is actually
PHE.
not the. my lord,
We are not for
So
the
issue notice.
state bank.
No, there's one difficulty. My lord, now after much.
It's a motion. What can we do without knowing anything?
I'll come to you. I'll satisfy your lordship. My lord, both the family pension.
What do you want today?
Plus, the gratuity amount is 7 lakh something, my lord.
Huh.
Now, I cannot.
We'll consider. Let them
My lord, as
come
on
with the
today, I
response.
am without, my lord, I cannot withdraw the family pension. I
We
cannot.
cannot decide. No, we cannot allow you to directly withdraw.
Lordship will
There
kindly
must be some reason.
for a minute.
What for? What order you want today?
Lord, let me at least deposit and withdraw, my lord, the
No, that we
50%
cannot.
of the gratuity.
Without hearing, we cannot. We cannot. We'll say, we'll fix it within we'll give you a short death.
My lord, the
On
family.
reopening, you take steps.
My lord, I can take
Who has to?
state bank.
State bank, huh?
No,
You
they
ta-
do not have a standing council, my lord, that is the difficulty.
So you take steps. We'll consider your
Then
thing.
lordship will permit me to take Dasti on 1 and 3.
Huh?
Respondent number 1 and respondent number 3. Dasti on what? Respondent number 1 and 3 and a short date.
Heard Mr. A. Ganguly,
Lordship.
Lord Counsel for the petitioner. Agreed by the freezing of the bank accounts,
Only one bank account.
bank account of the petitioner being SBI saving account number 376854911143, huh? Page 15, prayer. About this petition is instituted, seeking correction. To ensure that DCRG and other pensionary benefits due and payable to the petitioner on account of the death of her husband, late Pradeep Saikia, be allowed to be deposited in the said bank account without any adjustment of the appropriation by the respondent bank in respect of the loan amount availed by the late husband of the petitioner. Full stop. Issue notice returnable by 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
As you are appearing for
Respond number 4, RR Gogoi lordship.
R.R. Gogoi and Standing Council,
Yes, PHE.
PHE
Respond number 4.
Department. Enters appearance on behalf of respond number 4
4.
only.
File is AG, my lord. We have served the copy.
Or
Treasury officer.
no formal notice be need be served in this case. Our exec office, huh? Next paragraph. The petitioner, land council petitioner is permitted to take steps for solution process. All the respondents
My lord, 1 and 3 we can take, 2 will be difficult. my lord.
by speed post as well as by dusty mode, huh?
That's more than 1 and 3.
By dusty and as well as dusty mode on respond number 2 and 3, 1 and 2.
1 and 3.
1 and 3. List better after
The date may be fixed.
All right, sir.
2 weeks. Just give it.
But Lordship may kindly observe that the interim prayer will be taken up on after their appearance. Lordship may kindly observe that. Otherwise, it will be difficult for me in the orders column. Very difficult.
Interim.
I think that observation. one.
Interim prayer of the petition shall be considered on the next returnable. On the returnable that, huh?
Tablet.
Which one? Huh? Huh? Yes.
My lord, I am in item number 2, my lord.
Ah,
And according to my information, Mr. Roy, in item number 1,
Yes.
he likes to take the adjournment, my lord,
Adjournment.
in relation to item number 1.
Uh,
So in that case, both the cases
uh,
are taken.
So who is you are mentioning
Let it come, my lord.
on the
after-
prayer of Mr. O.P. Bhatti and Mr. No, on the prayer of
Mr. A. Roy as well as Mr. Uttam.
J. Roy,
Yeah, Roy, sorry.
General and Senior Counsel and Mr. O.P. Bhatti, Land Counsel for the petitioners. Praise for listing of the matter after 4 weeks.
After due vacation.
Item number 1.
After 4 weeks.
Yes,
May I
only
pray for a
to
date,
due
my lord, because
vacation.
pleadings are complete
Oh,
for a long time, my lord.
after-
They are enjoying a stay, my lord.
After 4 weeks, Mr. Prayer no been objected
My lord, after
by
due
Land
vacation.
Council, Mr. Ibor Thakur, Land Standing Council,
Excise department.
Excise Department.
My lord, I
Same
would be
is-
out of,
Same is accepted, same is allowed, list accordingly.
my lord, I
4
would
weeks.
be out of station, my.
Ah,
After due vacation, my lord, it-
Any date, my lord, may
just give that.
4th February.
my lord.
Abdul.
Not 9, 10, and 11, my lord.
Ah,
A similar matters, my lord, non-payment of admitted contractual dues.
hmm.
My lord, 9 is for a sum of rupees 8,10,612.
Yes.
Item 10 is for a sum of 16,07,700.
Which department?
My lord, PHE, my lord, water department, PHE, my lord.
Yes, PHE. Who is appearing? Respondent?
My lord, my lord, my friend. My lord, can, subject to your lordship's final observation, the lordship directs them to verify my completion certificates and then release the bill, subject to what they deem right. Because we cannot go into fact finding, my lord will not go into the fact finding of it. The completion certificates are annexed to all the repetitions. There is a sum which I have claimed. If they can verify that and release that in the period of 6 months, my lord, at least be.
Just inform, madam, can you inform? Heard Mr.
M. Sharma, my lord.
M. Sharma, Land Council for the petitioner. None appears for the
Yes, my lord,
respondents.
sometimes Mr. R. Gogoi also appears, my lord. Not sometimes, my lord, most times he has appeared in the matter.
by filing this writ petition. The petitioner has
Page
prayed
15.
for a direction to the responding authorities to release the outstanding bill amount to the petitioner. Outstanding bill amount of rupees 8,10,612. 612, huh? To the petitioner. On for the execution of the work, what work?
My lord, the work order is at page 19. It's a long name, my lord.
For
Page 19 and 20.
for
Subject formal work order for design.
just wait. For the execution of work for design and construction of so and so, page 19, huh? You will take it from the name of the work, huh? Then under the program NRD of Mangalday division, you just subject, you just refer, page 19. Okay, it's the name of the work. Next paragraph. The petitioner, number 1, is a partnership form having its registered office at Guwahati, Kamrup. List of pursuant to the tender process initiated by the respondents and initiated by the authorities in the Department of Public Health Engineering, Government of Assam. The petitioner one with the work orders for execution of so and so work, huh? This is only page 19 is the work order.
No, my lord. 19 and 20, my lord. They
Right.
look identical, but the memo number is different, my lord. 1670 and 20 is 1676. The value is the same.
Then you quote both this. Huh? You quote this. Huh? Two work orders, huh? 2 work orders for execution of the work, for execution for the work of design and construction. Same, you quote this, huh? Next para. Mr. M. Sharma, Land Council for the, we're disposing it off.
Verify.
Then you write his name and Mr. So and so, huh? I Bortakulan Steningal PhD instead of the non-appears. Sorry. M. Sharma, Land Council for the petitioner that the petitioner has executed satisfactorily the work awarded to him accordingly. What this is
The completion certificate, my lord, at page 21. At 21 lakhs 60,000, your lordship has seen. Page 21, my lord, annexure C. I've received a part of the payment, the other part is pending, my lord.
completed the work, huh? Works satisfactorily for which completion certificate was issued for the gross value of completed work of rupees 21 lakhs 60,000.
My lord.
But work order is 40 lakhs.
No, my lord, the work order also is 21 lakhs 6,000, my lord, at page 19.
Okay.
I'm claiming a part of it, my lord, because a part of it has been paid already, my lord. Your lordship comes to page 19, your lordship would see tender value of the work.
Page 19.
Page 19, my lord. Tender value of the work, 21,60,000.
Okay, okay. Okay, this is 40,000 liter.
Yes, my lord.
40 lakhs. The authorities have already paid and have made some part payment, however, failed to release the balance amount of rupees 8 lakhs so and so. Right?
My lord.
8 lakhs,
8 lakhs, my lord, 8 lakhs, 10,612.
612. Tilted despite repeated approach. Huh? Next panel. Having considered that the petitioner appears to have completed the work for which Borgoha Enterprise,
Yes, my lord.
you are Borgoha Enterprise.
Yes, my lord.
What I said, having considered that the petitioners appears to have for which its completion certificate was issued on 25/03/2023 by the Executive Engineer PHE Mangalday Division for a gross value of completed work of rupees 21,60,000 and some part payments having been made, I deem it appropriate to this. I deem it appropriate, and as well as agreed to by learned counsel to the parties, I deem it appropriate to dispose of this writ petition. Please stop. Deem it appropriate dispose of this with a direction to verify the claim of the petitioner, and if found admitted, same shall be released within a period of 3 months. Within a period of 3 months.
My lord, as expeditiously, my lord, because otherwise, my lord.
In a period of 4 months. 4 months. If found admitted, 4 months. Huh? Mr. Ordered accordingly. Huh? Ordered accordingly. Writ petition is still disposed. Then
Then, my lord, item number 10,
10 is
10, my lord, similar matter, my lord. D. Kumar and Company. The work orders, my lord, are at page 21, 22, 23, and 24.
claim amount is
Claim amount is, my lord, 16 lakh 7,707. The completion certificates, my lord, are at 25 and 26. Part of it has been paid.
name will be different, and amount is 16 lakhs 7,770. Huh? Then completion certificate.
Wait,
Name of
25.
the work is
My lord, the work is from 21, 22, 23, and 24. 21, 22, 23, 24.
work orders.
Work orders, my lord. Formal work order for design and construction of 100 cubic meter capacity hot press. molded-
21 work name of the work. 21
And 23, my lord. 21, 23. 22 and 24 are similar to 21 and 23. So your lordship will, the formal order will be 21 and 23.
21 and 23.
Yes, my lord.
Name of the work.
Yes, my lord. Name of the work, my lord.
And 21 and 23. Name of the work. Work order. And completion certificate is page 25.
5 and 26, my lord.
Issued by PHE, Executive Engineer PHE Tinsukia Division.
Yes, my lord.
And the gross value of completed work is rupees 21 lakhs 60,000. Same.
And 50 lakhs.
And
And the second completion certificate, my lord, 50 lakhs.
50 lakhs.
Yes, my lord. And I've been paid a part of it.
Page 25 and 26. Completion. 20, 25 and 26. Yes, there are two work orders, right? 2 work orders and separate completion this thing. Separate completion certificate by same executive engineer. First one is 21 lakh 60,000. Second one is 50 lakhs. Gross value of completed work. Out of this, total 16.
Yes, only 16 is pending, my lord. 16 lakh 7,707.
Then
Then, my lord, item number 11. My lord, the tenders are from page, the work orders are from page 21 to 24. The
Same
complete-
department.
Same department.
Ah.
The completion certificates are from 25 to.
No, this is amount,
My lord, the amount is 18 lakhs, 19,000.
18 lakhs, 19,590,
Yes,
huh?
ma'am.
Then, work order.
Work orders are, my lord, page 21.
21,
22, 23 and 24.
20,
Similar value works 23,
21, 22,
23 and 24.
23 and 24, page. Then, gross amount,
My lord, the gross amount that I'm claiming is 18 lakh 19,590, but the gross amount. my
no,
lord,
and completion is,
lord, it's a,
page
uh,
25,
my lord,
26,
25 lakh 47,750.
27, 28, 28, huh? 4 work orders,
Four work orders,
4 completion work,
four completion certificates, my lord.
4 completion, same, huh? Yes, positive.
Grateful, my lord.
Thank you.
This 11, huh? 9, 10, 11. You may go. Do it, huh?
Grateful, my lord.
You will have to check it from there, no? Call them, send her.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes,
Here, your lordship, the petitioners, your lordship, have challenged the requisition proceeding and acquisition proceeding initiated in the 1964 Act, your lordship. Your lordship, with at page 21, your lordship will find the notice under section 3(1) of Assam Land Requisition and Acquisition Act 1964, your lordship. Apart from others, your lordship, the petitioners' lands were also, your lordship, notified, your lordship. And in fact, your lordship, we have challenged this notice and subsequent notice issued under section 4(1), your lordship, that is at page 38.
you are challenging which one?
Your lordship, both free and your lordship will kindly come to page 38.
Page 38.
38, this is under section 4(1), your lordship, by which your lordship we have directed to surrender and deliver possession of the land.
38.
38.
Hmm?
38, your lordship.
Ah.
Annexure 3, Roman 2.
Surrender or delivered of the requisition land to the circle officer, rangers, and being the person authorized.
Now, essentially.
This was issued on?
This was, your lordship, 29/11, your lordship. Your lordship.
It's 10 days over now.
Now, your lordship, they have not yet taken over possession, your lordship. We have, since we have not
We'll
surrendered.
issue notice, we'll see.
But your lordship will kindly see, there is a gross violation, your lordship. So far as two aspects, two grounds I am put this to challenge, your lordship. Number one, your lordship, the service of notice is not in terms of, your lordship, this rule, your lordship, 11 of the Assam Requisition and Acquisition Rule 1964, number one. Number two, your lordship, that the purpose for which it was taken, your lordship, this rule, this act cannot be invoked, your lordship. Now, the nature is permanent in nature. When the purpose is permanent in nature, they will have to follow the 2013 rule, your lordship, act, your lordship, not this particular act of 1964. There is a specific purpose is mentioned in section 3(1) of the Act of 1964, for which land can be requisition and acquisition. And if it is then secondly, your lordship, if it is in the permanent nature, and if ultimately it will be acquired, your lordship, then your lordship, the 2013 Act will have to be followed, your lordship. We are not saying that they cannot acquire, they can acquire, your lordship, but the
Not under this act.
Yes, not under this act, your lordship, and
This is
honorable-
purpose is for something else.
Yes, your lordship, this is in permanent nature, they will set up an industrial park, will not get back the land, your lordship. And when this is, do subvert the process of 2013, you cannot apply to 1964 act. There is a specific purpose for which this act.
No compensation has been paid.
Till date, your lordship, compensation.
No assessment, nothing.
Not been taken over, Lordship.
The requisition, they have asked
We
us
have-
to surrender, where will you go without compensation, your lordship? That's why 2013 act, your lordship, which mandated, your lordship, that compensation will have to be paid, and then your lordship acquisition process will complete, your lordship. Now-
Yes.
Now your lordship will kindly see,
Will issue notice, it's okay.
Lordship.
but your lordship will kindly see status quo, your lordship, because where will you go, your
Ah,
lordship,
you
without?
file,
compensation?
you maintain it if it is, it has not been already taken over.
Lordship, if that has not been taken over.
Ah. Heard Mr. S. Bodpakur, Land Council for the petitioner. Petitioners,
Petitioners, your lordship.
next para. Challenges made in this writ petition is to the acquisition proceedings
Lordship.
and the consequential and the order acquisition proceedings initiated by the responding authorities and the order dated, which order this is?
Page 38, your lordship,
Which order? I mean, which date? 29/11/2025,
29. Lordship,
issued by the District Commissioner,
lordship.
Kamrup, Amingam. District Commissioner Kamrup, huh? Whereby the petitioner have been directed to surrender or deliver possession of the recreation land to the circle officer, Rangia Revenue Circle. In respect of the land,
Lordship.
what respect? In respect of the land,
Petitioner's land, your lordship.
in respect of the petitioner land at what?
Lordship, at your lordship, village, your
Petitioner
lordship,
land located
at village Moranjana, your lordship,
at village Moranjana, Moja Pub,
Burigug,
Borigok, huh? This is in the district of
Kamrup,
Kamrup.
Kamrup rural.
Kamrup, within bracket R, bracket close. On the ground that the petitioner, on the ground that no on the ground that the petitioner's land cannot be acquired by acquired under the Assam Land Udin Requisition and Acquisition Act 1964. And no assessment, no compensation have been assessed and paid to the petitioner. Mr. Issue notice to the respondents. All of you, both of you are
Hello.
appearing for all.
Lordship, I appear on behalf of restaurant number 2 and 3, Lordship.
Then,
Your lordship.
then,
And for 4 and 5.
4 and 5. As MS N. Bordoloi, Land Standing Council Revenue and Disaster Management Department. Mr. J. Hendik,
Lordship.
Land State Council,
2 and 3.
and Mr.
Yes, does.
S. Das Land Council. Enters appearance behalf of all the respondents, no formal notice needs. So, however, extra copies be furnished to the Land Council for the respondents. Mr. Next paragraph. next paragraph, having considered that the land of the petitioner, prima facie appears to have been a requisition under the Assam Land Requisition and Acquisition Act 1964. And no compensation compensation has been paid for the land compensation has been paid to the petitioner, comma, in the interim, it is provided that the status quo shall be maintained. The status quo as on today shall be maintained by the parties. That's all.
Lord,
Returnable by 4 weeks.
Lord.
Lordship, can we fix it at that? Lordship?
Deeply.
I see. What I said, no, the land has been acquired, huh? Just rest it there, having considered, huh? For let's so and so, for providing for the Assam Industrial Development Corporation, for establishment of an industrial estate, and no compensation has been paid. Yes. You see? Yes.
You see, my senior.
Well, Lord, no reply has been filed despite.
Yes, then who is appearing?
Lord, this is a rather unfortunate case where the petitioners had participated in an auction proceeding in a Bakijai case where the
Who has to file? Who is the respondent? Who is the main respondent? Who has to respond?
Lord, the circle officer, Lord, number 2 and number 3, they are the same basically, a district commissioner and a deputy commissioner, Tinsukia.
District Commissioner, Additional District Commissioner. Huh? Heard, Mr.
A. Phukan, Lord.
A. Phukan, Learned Council for the petitioners.
Petition.
On the prayer of Mr. J. Hendik,
Lordship.
Learned State Council, further 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit in opposition. Huh? List.
My Lord, may I request for a specific date, my Lord, January? I'll be there on 27th if it's possible, my Lord, 27th January.
Not possible. It will go to second week of February.
Very well, my Lord. Any date, my Lord, then some specific date.
11 February. 11 Feb.
Obliged, my Lord, obliged.
Yes.
Item 16 also I have some more time, but we already been communicated, the instructor not yet received.
Heard Mr. Solan Council further 3 weeks' time is on the prayer of Mr. J. Hendik, Learned State Council. Further 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit. Affidavit in opposition. Yes.
But
Yes.
So Chaudhary is on his legs, but that's in court 3. very humbly apologize, my lord. This matter can be taken up at 2 minutes, he's requesting.
My lord,
This is
I
the la-
understand, my
this is
lord.
the
I've
last
seen
case.
the board, my lord. There's only one matter left. I understand the problem, my lord. Very humbly requesting, my lord. Due apologies to the board.
We'll take it up on 5th. What is instruction?
Instruction.
yes, my lord,
Yes.
last occasion, your lordship directed me to take an instruction.
Ah.
And next date I have supplied the copy to the, with a request to take, give me, provide me instruction. But till date, my lord. So some time may be
Then, my
granted
lord, sir,
to.
for getting instructions, my lord.
With regard to the.
Not
release of-
Mr. So-and-so,
Legal
learned counsel for the deputy.
AK Datta.
Mr. A.K. Dr. Learned CGC was directed to obtain instruction on by an order dated
9/12.
9/12/2025. Mr. Today, Mr. Dr. Learned CGC submits that he has already communicated, however, is yet to communicated to the responding authorities for instruction. However, is yet to receive the same. Therefore, fresh for a week's, further a week's time to obtain the instruction, in view of this matter on 5th. 5th we'll see.
April.
And in view of, let this matter be listed on 5th January.
April.
Don't miss it on that day. We'll close it.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
I am trying, my lord.
Item 20.
The order dated 16/10. Right. My lord, the service on respondent number 2, 3 and 4, but that could not be complete, my lord, because of the notices remain answered. But the Lavazima court has observed that, my lord, the direction, on fresh address, my lord, these steps may be taken. On page 55 is the fresh address, my lord. There were 2 addresses, one at Guwahati, my lord, the other one is at, my lord,
Have you
Shillong,
incorporated
my lord.
that address
Yes.
in the petition?
No, my lord, they have 2 addresses, my lord. The Lavazima court, my lord, is the order, my lord. If it was permitted to find out the correct address and, my lord, take steps on that. My lord.
You have
Correct.
taken.
No, I will take, my lord, that direction may be.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed, is permitted to take precise steps for service of notice upon respond number
2, 3 and 4, my lord.
2, 3 and 4
The address
As-
given at page
as
55,
or as
correct address.
as observed by the Lauzima court by the ordered observed by the Lauzima court on 16/10/2025. The steps be taken within 10 days.
My lord. You know, there was a direction for prayer for entry, my lord, that may be considered my next step. That may be indicated, my lord.
Well,
because-
not continue if it is not
No, it
considered.
is not there, my lord. Subject to completion of service, it was there. My
Hmm.
lord will observe
And
that.
that will be complete.
My lord, the prayer
Obviously,
for-
it remains.
The prayer for entry will be considered, my lord, that may be.
If it, what is the order, last order? What is the last
There
order?
was no order for entry, my lord. There was no entry order. My lord will just indicate that it will be considered on the next. Because the other side will have.
Why they have no,
My lord.
why they have no indication?
My lord, because on the next date, my lord, we will press for the entry. my
No,
lord.
today listed for orders.
My lord. My lord, date will be fixed, my lord.
What is it?
Urgency is there, my lord. The Indian.
First you complete the step.